touring here and talking with German students and teachers, as well as political leaders, and exploring the ways in which Germany is attempting to come to terms with its difficult history is inspiring. It helps us understand as American teachers that we're not alone. What is our role? What is our responsibility in digging deeper and telling the stories that for centuries haven't been told?
I really enjoyed today visiting Point Alpha because as a social studies teacher, there's so many connections to what happened here, not just kind of the big picture, but the personal stories of people that live near the border.
It was a magical opportunity for me to share our experience with one of my friends who served there at OP Alpha. We were able to do a video call while we were touring the facility, and so he could actually see the barracks where he used to sleep and the layout of the land and reminisce about what it was like to guard this iron curtain dividing east from west.
And then one of the other guys took my picture while I was just looking at the ice cream thing.
Point Alpha zeichnet sich für mich aus dadurch, dass wir hier natürlich das US-Camp haben, also einen authentischen Lernort und natürlich auch die Ausstellung im Haus auf der Grenze, wo also einzelne Schicksale, Fluchtgeschichten dargestellt werden, Zwangsaussiedlungen dargestellt werden. Und das ist, finde ich, ganz wichtig, daran zu erinnern.
I think there are a lot of misconceptions, misunderstandings of what Germany is like, what the German people are like. And I think it's important to experience it really close up and personal. One of the American phrases is to have aha moments, where you have read about things and all of a sudden you see something and experience it with an emotion and an understanding at a new level. And it really is an elevation of thinking.
I've always really believed that exchange is important. You know, probably thousands of teachers now that have been able to participate in this tour have brought so much back, and hopefully we've contributed something to Germany as well. So definitely, I think the tour should continue, and not only just the tour, but thinking about new ways to connect educators in the U.S. with German educators as well.